In the endless cosmic ballet of planets and stars, a new player has entered the stage, Tianzhou 9. Its arrival marks not just another chapter in space exploration, but the beginning of a bold new era for science and discovery. On a clear, cloudless day, a rocket's fiery ascent split the sky, marking the launch of this mission. It may have seemed routine to some, but in reality, it was anything but ordinary. This was a moment that would ripple through the world of science. The cargo aboard Tianzhou 9 is sparking excitement in labs worldwide. Scientists and researchers from every corner of the globe are watching closely, eager to see what discoveries might unfold. This isn't just a resupply run, it's a vessel carrying experiments that could transform our understanding of life and health. The equipment and samples inside represent years of planning and hope for breakthroughs. Picture a delivery truck on a silent highway. Except this highway is space, and the destination is Tiangong, China's orbiting station. The journey is silent, but the stakes are enormous. Tianzhou 9's cargo is more than supplies. It's packed with hope, curiosity, and the promise of discovery. Each container holds the potential to answer questions we've been asking for decades. The science inside could redefine how we see the brain, aging, and disease. These experiments might one day lead to new treatments or even cures for conditions that affect millions. At first, the world barely noticed, but whispers in the scientific community soon became a roar. Brain cells in orbit, biotech to fight disease, emergency systems for astronauts. The possibilities captured imaginations everywhere. Suddenly, Tianzhou 9 was a pioneer, leading the way for a new generation of space-based research and innovation. This mission is a leap in using space as a laboratory to solve Earth's biggest challenges. In microgravity, scientists can observe phenomena impossible to replicate on Earth. So let's unpack the marvels aboard this spacecraft. Each experiment is a step toward understanding our world, and ourselves, just a little bit better. We'll journey from launch pad to orbit, exploring the tiny worlds of human cells and the advanced systems that keep astronauts safe, healthy, and able to push the boundaries of exploration. This is a story about our drive to explore, to push boundaries, and to reach for answers beyond our planet. The universe is asking questions, and with Tianzhou 9, we're finally starting to answer one experiment at a time. What is Tianzhou 9? It's a name you'll be hearing more often as China's space ambitions grow. But what exactly is it, and why does it matter so much to the future of space exploration? Think of it as the universe's most advanced delivery van, except instead of packages, it carries life-sustaining cargo and cutting-edge science experiments to orbit. Tianzhou means heavenly vessel, and it truly lives up to the name, gliding silently through the void to connect Earth and space. It's an uncrewed cargo ship, ferrying food, water, equipment, and scientific experiments to the taikonauts aboard the Tiangong Space Station, ensuring their survival and success. Without these regular deliveries, a permanent human presence in orbit simply wouldn't be possible. Every mission is a lifeline, keeping the station running smoothly. The journey begins at the Wenchang Space Launch Site, a state-of-the-art facility on Hainan Island, where a powerful Long March 7 rocket sends Tianzhou 9 skyward. This launch site, located near the equator, gives rockets an extra boost from Earth's rotation, making it possible to launch heavier payloads and reach orbit more efficiently. Tianzhou 9 set a new standard, carrying over 5.6 metric tons of cargo and achieving a rapid rendezvous with the station in just a few hours, a feat of precision engineering. This speed is crucial for delivering time-sensitive materials, such as biological samples, and for responding quickly to emergencies in space. The spacecraft transforms Tiangong from an isolated outpost into a well-connected hub, supporting a growing community of astronauts and researchers. Each mission refines the technology, paving the way for even more ambitious exploration, testing new systems, improving reliability, and expanding our reach. Tianzhou 9 isn't just supporting today's astronauts, it's building the foundation for tomorrow's journeys, enabling future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Reliable logistics like this are essential for a permanent human presence in space, allowing humanity to dream bigger and stay longer among the stars. Tianzhou 9 is the quiet hero keeping the flame of exploration alive, ensuring that the adventure continues for generations to come. Now imagine the most mind-bending cargo ever launched into space, a brain organoid on a chip, a tiny marvel that's changing how we understand the brain. An organoid is essentially a miniature organ, painstakingly grown from stem cells. In this case, we're talking about clusters of human brain cells, carefully nurtured to form a simplified version of the brain's architecture. These aren't conscious brains, they don't think or feel, but they do mimic the structure, connections, and even some of the electrical activity of a developing human brain. Why send them to space? On Earth, gravity flattens cells, limiting how they grow. But in the weightlessness of microgravity, these organoids can develop more naturally, forming intricate, complex 3D structures that are much closer to what happens in the womb. Space provides a unique environment, letting us observe brain development in its purest, most unaltered form, free from the constraints of gravity. This research is crucial for astronauts. Spaceflight can dramatically affect the brain, causing changes in cognition, memory, and even the physical structure of neural tissue. By studying organoids in orbit, we can see how both microgravity and cosmic radiation impact neural cells, giving us vital clues to help protect the mental health and cognitive abilities of future space explorers. But the benefits of this research don't stop at the edge of space. They reach all the way back to Earth. Brain organoids offer scientists a revolutionary new way to study devastating diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, right down to the cellular level. Observing how these cells behave in space could reveal entirely new pathways for treatments, and even potential cures, that we might never discover on Earth. The journey of these tiny lab-grown brains could lead to giant leaps in medicine, neuroscience, and our understanding of human health. Space is giving us a new window into the deepest mysteries of the mind, opening doors to discoveries we never thought possible. The implications are staggering, not just for astronauts but for all of humanity, as we unlock the secrets of the brain, both on Earth and beyond. Tianzhou 9 is a treasure trove of biotech experiments. One focused skeletal muscle cells. In space, muscle atrophy is rapid and severe. Studying muscle cells in orbit helps us design better therapies for astronauts, and for millions on Earth with muscle-wasting diseases. The accelerated muscle loss in space is a perfect model for these conditions. Discoveries aboard Tiangong could lead to new drugs and therapies for patients on Earth. The heart is also under study. Cardiomyocyte experiments track how heart cells function in microgravity. This knowledge is vital for long-term missions and for understanding cardiovascular health. Spaceflight mimics accelerated aging, bone loss, muscle atrophy, weakened immunity. Research on Tianzhou 9 is helping us unlock the secrets of aging itself. By studying life in zero-G, we might find new ways to promote healthy aging on Earth. The cosmos is the ultimate laboratory for life sciences. Beyond biology, Tianzhou 9 delivered critical hardware upgrades. Most significant, a rapid emergency launch system. In a crisis, a rescue or resupply can now launch in days, not months. This transforms Tiangong from a remote outpost into a secure, sustainable base. It's a safety net that changes the risk calculation for human spaceflight. Also aboard upgraded spacesuits, lighter, more flexible, and more functional. These suits make spacewalks safer and more productive, expanding what taikonauts can do outside the station. Every piece of hardware, from emergency systems to gloves, is part of a complex ecosystem enabling life in space. Tianzhou 9's upgrades are vital for safety, efficiency, and pushing the boundaries of exploration. The tools delivered today will shape the missions of tomorrow. This is the infrastructure of a permanent human presence in orbit. Tianzhou 9 also brought tools to fight muscle decay directly, aboard a new exercise device engineered for zero gravity. On Earth, we lift weights. In space, engineers use pistons, springs, or magnets to create resistance. Daily exercise is essential. Without it, bones weaken and muscles waste away. The new equipment ensures taikonauts stay strong and healthy, even after months in orbit. Sensors track every movement, sending data to Earth for analysis and personalized exercise plans. This is personalized medicine in the harshest environment. The knowledge gained will refine exercise protocols for future missions and could improve physical therapy on Earth. Solving the exercise problem is key for long-duration missions to Mars and beyond. Each workout in orbit is a step toward interplanetary travel. Tianzhou 9 is strengthening the backbone of our cosmic ambitions. Every Tianzhou delivery is another brick in the Tiangong Space Station. China isn't just visiting space, it's building a permanent home. The station is modular, evolving with each mission. Tianzhou 9's cargo keeps the station operational and scientifically productive. Each successful mission proves China's growing mastery in space technology. Tiangong is poised to become a vital international hub for research as the ISS nears retirement. The breakthroughs here are for all humanity, not just one nation. This mission is a stepping stone to more ambitious goals, like a lunar base or Mars mission. Tianzhou 9 is laying the foundation for humanity's future in space. Tianzhou 9's impact isn't limited to space. It reaches into our daily lives. Space research drives innovation that benefits everyone. Biotech breakthroughs aboard Tiangong could lead to new treatments for diseases like Alzheimer's or therapies for stroke victims. Space-based research helps us solve problems on Earth, not escape them. Technological advances like rapid emergency systems and advanced materials often find new uses on the ground. The spirit of invention in space inspires solutions for disaster relief, healthcare, and more. Space exploration changes our perspective, reminding us we're all crew on a fragile planet. Missions like Tianzhou 9 connect the quest for knowledge with the quest to improve life on Earth. Studying life in space teaches us more about ourselves. The journey to understand the universe and to improve the human condition are one and the same. Space is not just a frontier, it's a partner in progress. As Tianzhou 9 orbits above, it stands for more than hardware and experiments. It's a symbol of human curiosity and our drive to explore. This mission marks a shift, from exploration to utilization of space for science and technology. The orbiting lab is now a workshop producing real results, from medical insights to new tech. Tianzhou 9 invites us all to ask big questions and dream bigger. Our time on Earth is brief, but we've learned to reach for the stars. Each mission is a log entry in humanity's great journey. When we work together, driven by curiosity, we achieve the extraordinary. Tianzhou 9's true gift is a renewed sense of wonder and a glimpse of our boundless future.